What's up guys, this is Danny here from ABC Gaming, and today I'm going to be going over how to make a match 3 game in Gamemaker. I'm going to run an example of a finished product. If it will open, yes it will, hide that, run. So what it is doing is, basically, you know what a match 3 is. If the moment the code does it, if there's more than 2, so if it's touching it all, it will start deleting. So it will delete these 2, like so. As you can see, it's deleting all of the blocks that are touching, and the code is very simple, not much to it. And where I have 3 sprites, block 1, block 2 and block 3. Now I only have one object for the minute, and that's because I'm gonna just create all the code here and then just duplicate the blocks. So first thing, create event. All you need to do is set up the moment 0, create a variable called matched, set it to 0, create a step event to check if matched is equal to 1, then it is going to destroy the instance. And the only other events we're going to need is for executing the script. Change event. Probably left press is better. So just drag in the execute script. You don't need to put anything into it yet, and just duplicate the script for the destroy event. So at the moment there's no scripts in there because we haven't created a script. So let's create one. Now you're going to have to create a script for each block. So this is going to be for block 1. Now, I'm going to type out the script completely and then I'll explain as I go along, and then explain the theory behind it when I have it finished. So, first thing, we want to store the variable of the object, all the information of the object above, in object with the variable. So we create a variable object above, and is going to be equal to the nearest instance nearest y minus 17 of object block 1. So it's going to that's going to store the information of the variable above, basically the x and y coordinates, or it's just a way of getting Gamemaker to recognize the block above. Minus 17. Center is 0, 0, so the center is, I don't have a room. The center is 0, 0, so that's here. So checking y17, so it's checking for this block. It's checking for anything that's above. Because they're 32 by 32, half 32 is 17, so the middle is 17, so you're checking 17 above. You're checking right there on that line. Okay, so do that for object above, because you're doing up, down, left and right. Plus 17, Control C, Control V, we'll do right, and object left. Object left is going to be, or right is going to be plus 17, object left is minus x minus 17. So that's checking up, down, left and right. And now to the very simple bit of code. If place meeting, so it's checking if there's a collision. Wow, that was a weird way to spell meeting. So if there's a collision, if there's an object, if the object at minus 17 is block 1 with the object above it, which is block 1, so we'll do with object above matched is equal to 1. Then here matched is equal to 1. That is all. paste, paste, paste. Just paste it 4 times. Change this to plus 17. This to below. This to plus x plus 17 to the right. Object with object right. Minus x minus 17. Object left. Just going to add in check up, check down, check left, no, check right, sorry, that is check right, and nearly spelled it the other way, wrong check. Check left. So now it's checking left, right, up and down. We go in here, when left pressed, destroy, set that script. Now, I'll explain. What it is doing is it is checking the left press is checked. It is checking the instance nearest, so it's checking this one, checking if it's block 1, or no, it's storing the variable block 1. Then it is, if it is block 1, it's destroying it, and it's destroying the one that was clicked. And then when this is destroyed, it's checking the object above it, see if it's block 1 and destroying it, and vice versa. So bang, boom, destroy, duplicate, obj block 2. Only thing that needs to change. Oops. I suppose do this first. Alt insert. Destroy block 2. If you want to be really lazy, try and go into B. You can copy that, duplicate, paste, change it to 3. Now, the only thing you have to do here in the scripts is click on this search thing. Oh, well, you just copy sorry, pasted the wrong thing there. We want to copy object block 1, paste it here, and we just change it to block 2. So now it only relates to the block 2. And same here. You don't actually need to copy anything, we can just change that to, oh yeah, because it's block 1 as well. And change that to block 3. Now I haven't created the block 3, so that's why that's coming up. So create obj block 3. Give it that in here. Destroy, when left press, destroy block 3. Destroy block 3. Destroy block 2 and destroy block 2. And it is that simple. Now, in the next tutorial, I'm just going to show you that this works. I pray to God I didn't do anything wrong. I kind of rushed through that. Well, in the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add combos, how to add scores, how to add a little particle effect when you get a certain amount of combo, and also to add levels, and we can try and make this into a fully functioning 9-10 level game, which you can save your high scores and everything. So yeah, click here, bang, they all get destroyed, and they all get destroyed. Did I do something? Okay, well, I don't really know what went on there. You might be able to figure it out. It's not that major, I don't think, really. Oh, that's why. Yeah. That's the other thing, is you can't have. See, they'll get destroyed. No, fuck. Okay, set that. Ah! Keeps doing that. Set them up so you have to make sure. Yes. You have to make sure that they're not overlapping at all. Yeah, they cannot be overlapping at all, or else the code won't work. Cause it's check. How long do I have? Can I explain this quickly? Yes, I can, very quickly, because it's -17. So if you have an overlay like that, where you have, I'll use 2 different ones. So just imagine for a second that they're all the same color. I'll use 3 different colors, make it easier. Don't delete underline. And then here. So what if you were to have them like this? It's checking y -17, so it's checking there, so it's deleting that, and then there's still one there. So it's just it has to be checking right at the start of the block, because if it's halfway through the block like that, it's checking center 17, which is here, and then checking 17, so it's not checking anything. There's nothing there when there's actually 3 blocks, but it's not deleting all 3 of them. So that was basically what was wrong there. So that's all for now. Rate, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any problems, throw me a personal message or just leave it in the comments, and I will try and help you out. That's all. Thank you for listening and watching.